Thank you for listening. I hope you had a better understanding in my lesson. So, the next thing we need to do is our culminating activity. Kailangan na natin maging ready sa ating mini culminating activity dito sa ating class or sa klaseng ito. So, the objectives of this is to recognize important works, styles, and artists in the history of modern dance. So, also perform memorized exercises, combinations, creative movement sequences, or studies while using basic modern dance terminology and technique. Each group of students should keep modern dance etiquette and dance safety in mind. The last one is to examine and react to performances of classic and current modern dance. By grading this culminating activity, I will use analytic rubric. Our analytic rubric is divided into 4 categories, which are the familiarity with choreography, musicality, stage presence, and efforts. You will get the outperforms expectations in familiarity with choreography. It demonstrates a full knowledge of choreography and flawless movement. Satisfies expectations or 4 points, exhibit a good knowledge of movements and makes a few mistakes. Approaching expectations, 3 points, exhibit some movement knowledge, however, the performance is riddled with faults. So, to 0 points, does not comply the expectations, demonstrate no knowledge of how to maneuver. Let's proceed to the musicality. You will get the outperforms expectations or 5 points if stays on beat throughout dance and demonstrating a complete command of rhythm and time. Satisfy expectations or 4 points, staying on beat for the whole of the dance. Dancers demonstrate a mastery or rhythm and time. Approaching expectations, 3 points, has a basic understanding of rhythm and tempo, but frequently accelerates up and down or slow down throughout the dance. Does not comply expectations, 2 to 3-0. Throughout the dance, the dancer frequently speeds up or falls behind. Let's proceed to the stage presence. You will get the outperforms expectation or 5 points if the dancer's face, body, and body are used to fully portray the movement's intentions. Satisfies expectations or 4 points, dancers performs, he or she uses facial and body expressions. Approaching expectations, 3 points, when performing the movement, the dancer uses minimal facial and body expressions. Does not comply expectations, 2 to 3-0. No facial and or body expressions are used by the dancer. So the effort, when executing choreography, dancer puts a lot of effort, he or she will get the 5 points or outperform expectations. Satisfy expectations when executing choreography, dancers demonstrates effort. Approaching expectations, while doing the choreography, dancers makes minimal effort. So, does not comply expectations when executing choreography, dancers makes no effort. So, the total of 20 points.